Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can pump up your tyres. It's a good idea to check your tyres before you go out and make sure they're not too squishy. This one here needs a bit of attention. So what we're going to do is just take off this dust cap here and get your pump. There are different types of pumps. This is the sort of thing you might already have at home. They're pretty cheap to buy and they're also portable. You can get them smaller than this. Sometimes they come with the tube on the end which you will attach to your bike. If you're at home, you might want to use something a bit more substantial like this one here, which has got a dial on it, and it will show you the pressure that you're pumping the tyres up to. And they're very cheap to buy. You can just get them from Halfords or any bike shop. So I'm just going to use this one for today. So once you've taken your dust cap off, there's another little screw here which you need to loosen off, and that will allow you to push the valve in, which means it's ready to actually take some air in. So with this one here, you start with the lever down, push it firmly onto the valve, and then push the lever up, and that will connect it and make sure it's a tight seal. And then you just start pumping away. Keep checking. I can feel that's getting firmer. And then when it feels that it's quite hard but you can still push it in a tiny bit, that's about ready. Just push the lever back down again quickly and pull the end off. Don't forget to tighten up that little screw on the inside, and then put your dust cap back on. And you're ready to roll.